Kayo guys, comment down below kung sa tingin nyo ghost ba yun or hindi lang talaga siya nakita dun sa dashcam.
The video, which was recorded just after midnight, is bizarre enough even at normal speed. But slowed down, it becomes downright terrifying. Some strange misshapen thing appears to be simply standing in the middle of the road. Locals believe this to be a ghost caught on camera. But what do you think?
Okay guys, ano sa tingin nyo? Ghost ba yun? Ito ba yun or pali lang sa angle, hindi lang nakita sa unang segundo ng video or ng camera na may tao pala doon. Pero imposible para sa akin kasi hindi naman nasasagi ng bus yung tao kung saan. Pero yung kasi umilag yung kotse, it means nabigla din siya. Pero kayo guys, comment down below kung ano yung kasi